Here we have an example of a task that would be presented during the GloSS assessment. The task provides an action and a short script as you present a card and manipulatives to a student to resolve a problem. The goal is to observe what strategy the student uses in solving the problem in front of them. So here we have 9 plus 7. You would set down 9 counters and additional 7 counters and ask how many counters do we have altogether. Now if a student is unable to answer this question, they would be considered stage 1. If the student were to count out each of these counters, 1 through 16, by touching each one of these, they would be considered stage 2. If the student did not touch them, but perhaps pointed in the air or imaged that they were counting through up to 16, starting from 1, that would be considered stage 3. Stage 4 would be considered if they started at 9 and said, I have 9 to start with, and then counted 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 for the remaining 7 counters. Stage 5 and higher would be considered if the student immediately answers as a known fact that 9 plus 7 equals 16. Or if they demonstrate a more complex strategy, such as moving one of the counters from 7 over to 9 to make a total of 10, and then 10 plus 6 would be 16. Or if they were to use something such as doubles, knowing that 9 plus 9 is 18, and 7 is 2 less than a 9, then it would be 18 minus 2. Or 7 plus 7 plus 2. Throughout each of the tasks provided in the GloSS assessment, there are actions, script, and descriptions of what types of strategy answers would be allowed in each of the stage categories.